you're experiencing controller drift in Valorant, it can be frustrating and affect your gameplay. Here is a quick guide to help you resolve this issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings in Valorant are configured correctly. Go to the settings menu, navigate to the controls section, and verify that the sensitivity and dead zone settings are appropriate for your playstyle. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks. Make sure to get into the crevices where dirt can accumulate. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. In the controller settings, adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input from the analog sticks. Step 4. Update drivers. Ensure that your controller drivers are up to date. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest drivers and install any updates to improve compatibility and performance. Step 5. Test on another device. To determine if the issue is with the controller itself or the game, test the controller on another device or game. If the drift persists, the controller may need repair or replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in Valorant. Good luck and enjoy your gaming.